guys, welcome back to my next module, that is Introduction to Elementor. Guys, this is very important module, so please watch this very carefully and do let me know if you have any small doubts also. Okay, now Elementor, why it is important to us? Elementor is something within which you can create your own customized page. Okay, you can create your own websites. Okay, so Elementor helps you to create your customized web page. Up till now, what we were doing, we were just having the themes which is already available on our dashboard, and was having that theme. We were installing and activating the themes, and our web page was modifying according to that particular theme. Now what we'll be doing, we'll be creating our own page. Okay, now we'll be creating our own customization, like if I want menu up or if I want only a frame page. So that all tiny things would be done in this particular Elementor help. Okay, so for more details, okay, now just move to elementor.com for more further and depth detail. Okay guys, so we are back to our elementor.com. okay, on this particular website. So you can see this as it's saying it's world's leading WordPress page builder. It can build your page for free, that too a very creative. Okay, so see, they give an example also. You can create this kind of website. You can create your customized contact us page also. You can create your pricing tables too. You can have many more things. Okay, many means many more things. Okay, so now moving forward, it is a plugin which is used by professionals as well as freelancer as well as agency tools. Okay, many of the people use Elementor to build their website because it creates a very creative look. Okay, also it helps to get you more traffic and your leads and conversions also. Okay, it helps to grow your conversions. Okay, it is extendable. You can extend it to any level. Okay, and it is also developer friendly. You can create, you can customize, and you can also develop. So we get many options here. So guys, isn't this too amazing? Yeah, so now you can just create your imagination. See, here are the some of the things which they have listed. Very few it's listed. Okay guys, so you can have, see, they have been ranking 5 out of 5. Okay, so here are the some things I'll show. Just a sec. Yeah, in the pricing table I'll show you some of the things they give us for free. Okay, Elementor provides us drag and drop. Elementor provides us drag and drop editor. Just drag and drop your editor. It also provides us responsive editing, 40 plus widgets. Okay, widgets in the sense I can say your calendar, your images, your sliders, etc. and 30 plus very basic templates. So for $0 and for unlimited website, that is something great you are getting. Okay, so just move forward and start developing our website using Elementor. Okay, it is amazing guys, and you will have fun making a website using Elementor. So do watch my next videos for more proper guidance how you can create your website using Elementor. Thank you so much guys for watching this particular introduction to Elementor video. Thank you guys.